Example 3. Identify, determine, give, or compute the following. So confirms the shape of the container when placed into it. So which substance is that? Of course, a liquid. Because when a liquid is poured into any shape of container, it will occupy that space under the liquid surface. So it confirms the shape of the container when placed into it. So the answer is a liquid. A given mass of the substance will occupy all portions of the container when placed into it. So a gas will disperse easily, so it will occupy all portions of the container when placed into it. So it is a gas. A substance whose absolute pressure and temperature is very near the liquid state. So imagine you are boiling water, then when it's about to boil, vapor escapes, then you block it, then you will see that it is in a liquid near the liquid state. So the answer is a steam. It is a phenomenon where molecules are projected into the space above the surface of the liquid. So molecules will leave the liquid surface, and that phenomenon is called vaporization. It is the property of a substance responsible for the dripping of water from a faucet or from a very small leak. So first, it will hold the size of that droplet which is about to fall when the size is still very small. Then when the leak continues, so its size will increase so to the weight that this property of fluid can no longer hold the weight of the substance, so that will fall, the droplet will fall. So it is the surface tension. Then determine the weight in kilonewtons of a reinforced concrete member, 300 mm by 600 mm by 7.2 meters. So weight is equal to specific weight of concrete times volume of concrete. The specific weight of concrete is specific gravity of concrete times specific weight of water, which is 9.81 kilonewtons per cubic meter, so that the weight would be in kilonewtons. And the volume is simply 0.3 meter by 0.6 meter by 7.2 meters. So 2.4 times 9.81 kilonewtons per cubic meter times 0.3 meter by 0.6 meter by 7.2 meters, so that would be in kilonewtons. So the weight is 30.51 kilonewtons. It is the reciprocal of the specific volume. Specific volume is also the reciprocal of density. Therefore, the reciprocal of specific volume is the density. Then lastly, if the mass of a body is 2.46 logs, what is it in kilograms? So we begin with weight equals mass times g, acceleration due to gravity, because we are familiar with conversion from pounds to kilograms. So weight is 2.44 slugs times, we'll use 32.2 feet per second square, although the more accurate is 32.17, 174 feet per second square. So let's just use 32.2. So weight is 79.21 pounds. Mass therefore is 79.21 pounds times 1 kilogram is 2.205 pounds. So the mass is 35.92 kilograms. So our answer is 2.46 lugs is 35.92 kilograms. That means if you divide 35.92 by 2.46, the conversion factor, one slug is 14.6 kilogram. So you have to familiar with that.